Just about every single medication major pharmaceutical companies have produced in the past 30 years come with side effects. We've all watched the commercials on television and listened to them on the radio and poked fun at the long list of side effects they rhyme off at the end of every commercial. So why now is it so incomprehensible for you to think that there could possibly be any serious side effects with any of the new products being produced and distributed on a global scale by these same companies?
Caplyta can cause serious side effects. Elderly dementia patients have increased risk of death or stroke. Call your doctor about fever, stiff muscles, or confusion, which can mean a life-threatening reaction, or uncontrollable muscle movements, which may be permanent. Dizziness upon standing, falls, and impaired judgment may occur. Most common side effects include sleepiness and dry mouth. High cholesterol and weight gain may occur, as can high blood sugar, which may be fatal.
Abilify is not for everyone. Call your doctor if your depression worsens or if you have unusual changes in behavior or thoughts of suicide. Antidepressants can increase these in children, teens, and young adults. Elderly dementia patients taking Abilify have an increased risk of death or stroke. Call your doctor if you have high fever, stiff muscles, and confusion to address a possible life-threatening condition, or if you have uncontrollable muscle movements, as these could become permanent. High blood sugar has been reported with Abilify and medicines like it. In some cases, extreme high blood sugar can lead to coma or death. Other risks include decreases in white blood cells, which can be serious, dizziness upon standing, seizures, trouble swallowing, and impaired judgment or motor skills.
Stop Chantix and get help right away if you have changes in behavior or thinking, aggression, hostility, depressed mood, suicidal thoughts or actions, seizures, or worse, heart or blood vessel problems, sleepwalking, or life-threatening allergic and skin reactions. Decrease alcohol use. Use caution driving or operating machinery. Tell your doctor if you've had mental health problems. The most common side effect is nausea. Talk to your doctor about Chantix.
Why do you believe so unconditionally that these new products are perfect? Why do you have such an unquestioning belief in a product that is literally less than 1 year old? Why do you have so much blind faith in these same companies that have blatantly lied about the safety of many of their other products over the years and have paid out billions of dollars in damages as a result?
I'm honored to stand here today with dedicated colleagues from within the Department of Justice as well as beyond it to announce a historic settlement with Pfizer Incorporated, a pharmaceutical manufacturer, and its subsidiary Pharmacia and Upjohn company, arising out of civil and criminal allegations relating to Pfizer's allegedly illegal promotion of various drugs, most notably Bextra. In a combination civil and criminal settlement, Pfizer has agreed to pay $2.3 billion, the largest healthcare fraud settlement in the history of the Department of Justice. Within that $2.3 billion is a criminal fine of $1.195 billion, which makes it the largest criminal fine in history.
The last hurdle of a decade-long compensation claim battle. 17-year-old Shamsu undergoes a DNA test to prove he's a victim of a failed drug trial by the pharmaceutical company Pfizer that happened 15 years ago in Kano State, Nigeria. 11 children were killed and several more injured when Pfizer tested out a drug called Trovan on 200 children. The drug was supposed to treat a deadly regional outbreak of meningitis. Pfizer agreed to pay $75 million in compensation in 2009.
In Oklahoma, a judge ruled yesterday that drug maker Johnson & Johnson helped fuel the state's opioid crisis and must pay $572 million to the state. A number of provinces in Canada battling opioid makers are looking for similar rulings. Their suits allege that drug companies falsely marketed opioids, leading to overprescription and addiction.
It's the latest development in the years-long legal battle for Johnson & Johnson over the safety of its talc baby powder products. A St. Louis jury yesterday awarded $4.1 billion in punitive damages and $550 million in compensatory damages to 22 women and their families who claimed that asbestos in the product had caused their ovarian cancer. Now, it's the latest in the more than 9,000 lawsuits the company's facing over the product, one of its most iconic brands.
I'm not saying these new products don't work or that you shouldn't use them, but what I am saying is stop putting your head in the sand and pretending like these new products are some perfect concoction that couldn't possibly have any adverse health effects at all, because history tells us different.